Let's have a look at putting two tables together. So orders is a table that we use to keep a running total of how much everyone ordered from us. So if Mark orders more, I wanted to just add to this line and not add another row. While orders 2 is a live table, so every time we get a new order, we enter it here, so it won't just update Mark, it will create a whole new row for Mark to check his new order. So I want to add orders 2 to orders 1. So I wanted to update where Mark is, and I wanted to add Amanda because she hasn't ordered before. So we're going to use a merge statement to do this. And here you can see the different types of matched. So if I just say matched, it means like here where Mark is in both tables, so we can have it just updates for Mark because he's matched in both tables. And here you'll see source and target. Now since we're updating orders 1, that's our target table, and we're getting the new information from orders 2, so that's the source table. So when it's matched by target, it will be like Brad, who's in the target table but not in the source table. And when it's matched by source, it will be like Amanda, that's in the source table but not in the target table. So now we have to choose what to do. So you can insert, delete, or update. So we'll say when it's matched by both, we wanted to update Mark to just add this to this. And we'll say when it's matched by source, we want to insert into the target table from the source table. And since if it's matched by the target, it's already there, we don't really want to do anything to it, we just want to add it to the merge statement. So let's look at creating a merge statement. So we will say merge into and then your target table, which is orders. And let's give it the nickname T for targets. Then you have to say where it's getting it from. So the source will be orders 2 and alias S. Now we need to say, like with the join, on what. So it has to check for the client number. So if the client number is the same here and here, then it will update or insert or whatever. So we'll say on T client number equals S client number. Now we say what this merge statement must do. So we say when it's matched, then we want it to update. Now we want to update the price here. So we'll say set price as T price plus S price. So that's what it has to do when it is matched. Now when it is not matched by the target, so when it isn't in the orders table, then we wanted to insert. Now first of all, we'll have to say which columns to insert into. So it's client number, client name, order number, product number, and price. Then we say it has to get the values, and we're getting the values from the source table. Is client number, and so forth. So we'll say when not matched by targets, then insert these values. And lastly, we want to see what was changed, so we say outputs inserted and deleted. Let's put it between begin and rollback tran. And here you'll see there's still a little red squiggly line. You'll see it says a merge statement must be terminated by a semicolon. That's because you're adding all these different ifs and whens, so it doesn't know when you're going to stop. So that's how you tell it, okay, I'm done now. And here you'll see this was inserted and the updated mark. And nothing was deleted because we simply inserted Amanda. And here you'll see this was deleted because we updated it to be this for Mark. So that's how a merge statement works. In the next video, we will go a bit deeper and see what else you can do with it. So this is a basic merge statement, and you can look for the link down below for some exercises.
Our sponsors, Help, MyDatabaseIsSlow.com, specializes in making slow databases run faster. Contact them. They may be able to help.